SEQ Campers, part of our water system outside. This is a Kimberley Karavan VisiFlow. We can connect mains water to here, or we can pump out of a creek or a bucket. With our filter system, we do have a pre-filter that we will then put in here before filling or going through the tank. Our hot water comes out here for our shower, washing off the van, or just using it on another part of the camp. This is water in VisiFlow. When I want to use this water, I'm going to use the blue valves inside here. Now the top one is called mains or VisiFlow, and that has to be on for that to go in. I will then, the bottom one, tank, that is off. Now I'm only collecting water from here, using this water through my hot waters, my shower, from outside source, and not touching the tank water. We then decide we've finished using this water. Please remember, turn the mains off, turn the tank back on. We're now pumping from the tank. This pump is using it from the tank or an outside source. You're just deciding which source to come from. That is us there with our VisiFlow system, water in to the Kimberley Caravan.